Republican state lawmakers joined several Connecticut residents who are taking Governor Dannel Malloy to court.
They want to stop an effort to unionize personal care attendants, an effort that was pushed by an executive order last fall by the governor. News 8's chief political correspondent Mark Davis is covering the developments live from Hartford. Mark.
Hi, Ann and Keith. Good evening, everyone from the Hartford newsroom. So far, state lawmakers have failed to act on these proposals, and opponents are hoping to stop them dead in the courts. 51-year-old Claude Holcomb can't speak and he can't walk. In fact, if it weren't for a mechanized wheelchair, he wouldn't be able to get around at all. He has cerebral palsy. 4 personal health attendants come to his home at various times of the day to assist him. He is among those battling against Governor Malloy's executive order that clears the way, establishing a procedure for those personal health attendants to join a labor union.
This is, in effect, labor legislation that historically has always been passed by the legislature.
Claude came to a Capitol News conference today where it was announced that several organizations are taking the governor to court, claiming he is exceeding his authority. Claude, tell me, what is your biggest concern about this executive order? He says that home care services are based on one-to-one relationships, and he fears that unionizing attendants would make it difficult for a person like him to terminate someone that was abusive, and that others like him might have difficulty communicating the issue in a formal labor dispute. The governor says all he did was form a task force that recommended legislation on this to the Assembly, that it is an effort to potentially help a low-paid, hard-working segment of the population get better wages and potentially some benefits.
For me, what this means is that it will be harder to find good people to work for us.
Since most of the aides are paid through Medicaid or other government programs, some fear there will be fewer aides to go around if wages go up because of limited government resources.
We certainly know where the governor's rights and powers rest, and he acted well within those powers.
Others believe that Malloy did this as a payback to the labor unions that helped elect him, an allegation he has repeatedly denied. This lawsuit is technically against 2 executive orders, one that appears to pave the way for the unionization of these personal care attendants, the other that appears to pave the way for unionization of home health care people, daycare people. These proposals actually did not come up for a vote in the Labor Committee, but that doesn't mean it's the end of them. Our sources say that they probably will come up again sometime before the General Assembly adjourns on May 9. Live from the Hartford newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.